Hi, this is Anja-Lisa. Welcome to another Louboutin unboxing and try-on. This is a very special one. I will be reviewing the one and only Chick Up 150 exclusive collaboration with Dr. Board. I'm so excited to share more about these amazing heels. Despite being the latest to my collection, I can say they are my all-time favorite. Definitely in my top 10. If you are nostalgic about Louboutin Lady Peep 150 or love Louboutin Hot Chick 130, I recommend you stay tuned and watch every single detail, but also subscribe for Lady Peep guide coming soon. Today's video is going to cover the unboxing on Valentine's Day, background about the Louboutin pinup collection in collaboration with Dr. Board, as well as the usual review format where I walk you through shopping experience, design and comfort. I received these amazing new heels as a Valentine surprise and wasn't expecting it at all. I saw the pinup collection on the website, yet I was completely in the dark.
Ah, okay. No. My God. Not really. Wow. Really nice. Wow. Just wow. I want to try them on. I like them so much when I see it the first time.
Dr. Board is a French fetish illustrator based in Paris. With a passion for the world of burlesque and fetishism, his characters wear corsets, seamed stockings and gloves. Fetish heels and the hairstyles inspired by the muse Dita von Teese. With Christian Louboutin, he created the pinup capsule collection. Not only I feel lucky to have this exclusive pair of heels, but also in love with the personalized illustration Dr. Board created with me wearing Chick Up heels. The pinup collection also features the limited edition Pinupina 130 with Dr. Board illustrations on the side of the heels. A Hot Chick 100, which features a graphic multicolored motif and a fishnet style lining, as well as sandals with similar graphics, pinup strass mules, high-top sneakers, as well as booties, keyrings and handbags, all with unique Dr. Board illustrations. Now let's analyze these fantastic heels in details. Being a massive fan of Lady Peep 150, I truly believe Dr. Board and Louboutin have released its successor. In the last few years there was always a very limited choice of 15 cm heels since the sunset of Lady Peep, especially from Louboutin. This new model reminds me of Lady Peep 150, but also of Hot Chick 130, while introducing new unique design elements like the fetish heel. The heel is a 15 cm black patent leather platform heel. It features an open toe with heart-shaped edges, a red lining and an insole inspired by pinups. I love the fact you can style them in every occasion like Black Lady Peep, but also has this unique insole illustration by Dr. Board. Compared to the Lady Peep, you can see the difference in the heel, something introduced in this collaboration. The fetish heels is more slim and elegant. The edges remind me of Hot Chick, giving the traditional style of the Lady Peep and now look like a new style. Most important, they are available in 15 centimeter as well as the 10 centimeter version. Something really rare to find these days when it comes to open toe platforms. Let's talk about shopping these exclusive heels. I will be publishing a Christian Louboutin guide soon, but before we cover all details here is something you must know about shopping these heels. First of all, as any limited edition and seasonal drops, it's extremely important to buy them as soon as they release on the website or in store to make sure they don't run out of sizes. This particular model, as well as other heels from the Pinup collection, released 1 month before Valentine and were sold out in most of the popular sizes a few weeks later. As usual, if you plan to buy the latest Louboutin, I recommend to visit the website regularly, knowing your size, and try to secure the most exclusive heels as soon as available for purchase. In my case, I shopped online, knowing that Louboutin heels are always true to size, and yet another time, 37.5 was perfect for me. If you don't know your size, I recommend to visit Louboutin stores and concessions, trying on most popular models like Successor and Hot Chick to find out your size for future purchases. Availability is limited, price is on the high end of designer heels, yet despite this being an exclusive collaboration, is priced in line with other Louboutin heels. For example, these retail at around $1,195 or €945, while the limited edition Suola Sockate with the red signature sole with strass retailed for $2,595. Also remember that prices vary by country as well as availability. For instance, this collection seems to have different availability when checking the stores in Europe, United States and UK. These are not the kind of heels anyone would resell unless it's the wrong size. So don't expect to find them on pre-owned marketplaces like Vinted, Depop or Poshmark anytime soon. Comfort is great despite the heel size. The platform really helps to walk without feeling the heel height. Definitely it's the kind of heels you can wear for night out without massive problems. They can make your legs look longer, similar to other heels above 12 cm, yet being more comfortable than other Louboutin heels like the Socket model in 12 cm. Wearing these heels makes me feel so special that I completely forget that I have them on, despite being very high. Definitely, with such amazing shoes, you can forget about any discomfort. I do advise, though, to look for products to help you wear heels more comfortable, like gel insoles, as other products to help protect your delicate patent leather heels. And now, the final verdict. Shopping experience, it's a 4.7. They are, yes, on the higher end of designer heels price, but so unique and really worth buying. Design, I can only give 5 out of 5. This could not get any better. These heels jumped straight in my all-time top 10 designer heels. Comfort, it's also relatively high for such platform heels. I would say a 4.5. Overall, it's a 4.7. As high heel lover, I must recommend you these shoes. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. I will be posting more Louboutin buying guides soon. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you have any questions I could help with.